Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the perfect veterinarian look using easy insider outfit hacks. So whether you're role playing in the clinic or just want to rock a cute and caring vibe, this look is a total win. So this is the look for the vet that I'm looking for, and I'm going to show you how we can create this one. So for the hair and makeup, actually you can just choose any hair and makeup that you want. And this is the accessory that I put on these glasses. And for the top, I'm going to just go to the men's sections and put on this t-shirt and toggle it into the basic with no pictures on the shirt. And I'm going to use this blue color like the doctor outfit. And for the bottom or the pants, I'm going to just use the code items here, this pants, and color it the same like the top. And I'm going to use this cat also under the code item. Next one, let's put on some accessories to complete the look. So I'm going to put on this gloves in here and toggle it into short with no fur. And lastly, I'm going to put on this shoe and color it with this light blue. And after that, you are done. So this is for the final look for the vet. This look is adorable, approachable, and totally food worthy. No VIP required. Tap like if you love animals, comment your favorite DTI professions, and subscribe. Also click on thanks for more roleplay inspired outfit hacks. Bye!